Hello everyone! For tonight's dinner, I'll be cooking a soup called the ABC soup. This is a very famous Malaysian Chinese soup. Every household, I think, will have their own recipe to this soup. While mine is a very basic one, just the three main core ingredients, some added extra garlic and onion to keep the soup flavorful, and I boil mine with a pork bones. While you can use chicken carcass as substitute, or if you don't like any proteins in your soup, just leave it out. So I don't have an exact recipe, but for 2 liters of water, I usually put like 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, and then half a garlic with 1 onion, then also some peppercorns. So first of all, we are gonna cut up all the vegetables. While I have in the kitchen my pork bones are boiling, just blanching it. I always blanch my pork bones because I want to get rid of all the grimes, and then I feel the soup will not have a very strong porky smell to it. Even if I'm using chicken carcass, I will boil about 2-3 minutes and then I'll rinse it over and keep the bones clean before I add into my pot of soup. So now once you're done cutting all up the vegetables, we're gonna crush the peppercorns. To crush peppercorns, normally I just take out like a bit of them, about a teaspoon or so. Then after that, I use my wooden spatula and I apply pressure on it. Then each of them will crack nicely, rather than using a knife to bang on it. So once we're all done, we'll head to the kitchen and start cooking. Over here I have my boiling pork bones to get rid of the grimes. Then I will wash it, clean it, and then put it back into a new pot of boiling water. Roughly it's about 1.5 liters. Then once I added in the pork bones, I will add all the vegetables and let it boil about 2 hours. To get a muddy colored type of soup, like what they call, like you cook until very jibbly, that type of soup, you need to boil it on high heat and at least go over the 2 hours mark. Then you get the opaque solid color type of soup, the muddy type of soup. Then if you are the one that like a see-through clear soup, then you need to cook it on using a slow cooker or a thermal pot in a very low heat for long hours. You can actually double boil it too, then you get those see-through type of soup. Both soup also it tastes nice, but there's a little bit different taste to it. You can try and see which you like the most. And once about 2 hours, I will add in this one, what you call that, the salt. About 2 hours into the boiling, this is how my soup looks like. And now I am going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. In any case that the water evaporated too much from the high heat boiling, you just need to add in some water and let it simmer for about another 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna let mine simmer till dinner time, which is about 30 minutes away. My ABC soup is done. If you have any suggestion on what other vegetables to add in, or you would like to share a recipe with me, please comment on the comment section below. And I hope you enjoy my video. Bye!